Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxycharm base box and I have no idea what's in here, so let's find out. So the beauty and or the curse of Boxycharm is you can go in and pick one of your products now. So you have one idea of one thing you're going to get, but they do so many variations, like so many variations now that you really have no idea of what you're going to get. With my premium, I didn't get a great variation because it was mostly for oily skin and I'm so dry, but let's see what I got with my base box. The Boxy base box is $25 and should have 5 full-size products in it. I've already opened my premium. See my paperwork? I think I did the exact same thing on my premium. I've already opened my premium and that was $35 with a higher value promised than this. And this is what I've got. And from what I see, yay, I'm pretty pleased with this. Boxycharm's theme this month is Breaking the Ice. And that is what that looks like. And my variation is number 13. And that's what it shows right there. And then the paperwork tells us everything that I received in the box. I made my decision about what I wanted for my choice based on what I thought was the smart decision, not the fun decision. And ever since Choice closed, I have regretted that decision. You know, I feel like I have so many shadow palettes and things like that that I just talked myself out of choosing another shadow palette. I don't think I will ever do that again because what I chose, and it's right on top, is the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. And that is what that looks like in the box. I just felt like I wanted something different, but I have, since I made this choice, received like 3 other eye creams that I'm really anxious to try. So I think this one's going in my giveaway. This is what the packaging looks like. And it's a great product. It is 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. That sounds very exciting. And it is half a fluid ounce, so full size because that's what we receive in this box. And it says Dr. Brandt's Skincare 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. All eyes are on you with this potent yet gentle, light reflecting and age fighting eye cream. A perfect combination of retinol and ruby crystal complex that gives your eyes the attention they deserve. $55 value. And I'm sure that's true and not inflated because it is a Dr. Brandt product. I have to tell you, every time I read Ruby Crystal Complex, I think there's no place like home. There's no place like home. So I'm not going to swatch this. Let's see if it's sealed. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to put it in my giveaway, which I am, oh, it's not sealed, guys. I'm closing that right back up real quick. Darn it. Wish I had never opened it, but at least you guys will know. I've twisted it back tight so that it should be safe and sound. Oh my goodness. I hate when items aren't sealed. Okay, next I have the Skin & Co. Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. I just got this in an Ipsy Plus. I haven't even opened that one, so I'm not going to open this one yet. And the way they seal, oh, this one's sealed differently. This one is sealed with just a clear plastic overlay. My other one had like a whole locking mechanism that I didn't open. And this is 5.07 ml, and that's what it looks like. My hand's almost not big enough to do any good. Let's see what the paperwork says. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, this features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive Black Winter Truffle Extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase. A powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buffs away and erases dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. $28. And like I said, I have 2 of these, and I'm going to do 2 giveaways for my 4K giveaway as soon as I get the product that I ordered. And I'm going to try and make them match as much as possible, so yay! Next, I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleep Mask. And this is sealed in here. I thought it had a little zipper on it, but it doesn't. It is completely sealed, and I am not going to take it out in case that is its only seal, because I can't use this product. It has ingredients in it that I can't use. And in one of my other boxes last month, I received the same Watermelon Glow, but in a moisturizer. So how cute will that be in a giveaway? See, I'm putting my giveaways together here and I'm trying to be smart about it. This says that the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillow-proof formula acts as a radiance-boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acids, rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore-refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. $22. This comes in 2 sizes. And this is the smaller of the 2 sizes, but it is still great because this is the $25 box. So this almost covers the whole box, or this does cover the whole box, or this is twice as much as the whole box. You get where I'm going here. Next, I have Pretty Vulgar, and it is the concealer in Little White Lies, and this is what I told them I needed. Remember, they sent us out our complexion cards, and I received one that was the Pretty Vulgar. This was they sent it to me because it was the lightest color they had, and so because of that, I said it was okay, but it was a little dark, but it looks pretty good. So we'll see if it's going to be an under eye concealer or like a spot concealer, which I generally don't need, but we're playing with this. Let's see what the paperwork says. Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and, wow, that is a big word, galactoarabinin. Galactoarabinin? That is a word I don't know. To keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety soft formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long wear concealer is great for all skin types. Well, let's try it out. Oh, it's going to be close. When I put it on my hand, it's definitely darker than my hand. Yeah, no, it's dark. This is definitely going to be not an under eye. I hope you can see where I put it right here. It is definitely going to be not an under eye because it's going to be darker than my under eye. But it'll be good for if I get a zit someday. Well, you know what? Yeah, no, it's almost the exact same color. Can you guys see? It's almost the same color as my skin. Well, you know, if you wanted to go subtle as opposed to the white that I usually go for, because whew, I usually layer. I use the Fenty, one of the lightest ones, and I love it. This feels fantastic. I don't think it comes any lighter, or Boxy didn't have it any lighter, because I know when I signed on and did my paperwork, I picked the lightest one they had. It feels fantastic. It didn't settle in any of my lines or wrinkles. I just need a slightly lighter color, but it feels really nice. Excellent. And last but not least, I have I can see Manic Adar without my glasses on, Beauty Simplified Lip Whip in Faith. Well, let's get in here. It looks like it's a nice color. It looks like a nice peachy mauvey color. So let's get in here and see what I've got. This is what the packaging looks like. It's kind of interesting. It's different looking, a little chunkier, and all right. It's a shorter stick with the little doe foot. I have on several lip colors, but you know what? Let's just go ahead. I've done a couple videos here, so I just keep going at my lips, so soon they're going to rebel. This is a little warmer than I thought it was going to be, which it wouldn't matter day to day, but I have on very purple eyes. All right, well, we'll see how it dries down. Even if it's not the perfect color choice for me today, it'll give us an idea of if we like the way it feels. This says that the Manic Adar Beauty Lip Whip is a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. $21 value. Watch this, guys. Can you see my lips trying to pull themselves apart? That's how sticky this is. I mean, it's drying down. It's in all fairness drying down. I mean, my lips are sticking together. Okay, so that is what I got in my base Boxycharm box this time. And I have to tell you, I think I like it better than my premium. It's certainly more suited for me or what I would choose than my premium was. So I got this Pretty Vulgar concealer, which I love. This Manic Adar lip, which the jury is still out on. This nice Glow Recipe watermelon serum that I wanted so bad for my giveaway, so I'm so happy to have. This Skin & Co. Truffle Face Gommage, which is basically just an exfoliant. And the Dr. Brandt, which is also for my giveaway, eye cream. I liked it a lot. Let me check on a value for this. So this had a value of $151 for my $25 value. So that was a nice box. Thank you so much for being here today, guys. I hope you are having a great day out there. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you guys really soon.